Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices rebounded to end last week, buoyed by heightened expectations of a September rate cut following comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell at the central bank's Jackson Hole Symposium. The European Central Bank is likely to keep interest rates on hold next month, but discussions about further cuts may well resume in the autumn if the economy weakens. ECB President Christine Lagarde said in July the Eurozone Central Bank was in a good place as it left its key rate at 2%. Oil prices steadied to end last week amid uncertainty surrounding a potential peace deal between Russia and Ukraine, with prices gaining on the week for the first time in 3 weeks.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.